Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to discuss how to create a .zshrc file in a Mac machine. Usually when we buy a new Mac machine, the file is not present in the system, so we have to add that file ourselves so that we can create our environment variable and some other settings. So let's get started. I'm in my Mac machine. I just recently bought that, and I'm going to open the terminal. Our .zshrc file is usually in our home directory. You can see my home directory, and the file I'm trying to create is not present at this moment. So let's create that file, and for creating the file I will use the terminal. We can simply create the file using the touch command. Touch, and the file name is .zshrc. Press enter. Now if we go to our home directory, I see the .zshrc file is there, but since it is a hidden file, so we are seeing that is a little dark. Now if we want to do some environment variable or some settings to see the uses of that file, so you see my terminal prompt is so long. If I want to make the terminal little shorter, I can do that putting some code in the .zshrc file. That's what I'm going to do. So if I want to open the file in terminal, we can use some file editor. One of them is Nano editor. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the Nano editor to edit our .zshrc file. So I type the command to open the file in Nano editor, and if I press enter, there is a typo. I needed to write nano.zshrc. Enter. So Nano editor is open. So settings that I want to put in my zshrc file is prompt. I want to shorten my prompt. So let's put the code in that file. The word prompt will be all uppercase equal to single quotation. You can put some name. In that case I'm using my first name. Percentage tilde space percentage. You can use this text as you want. I'm closing the single quotation, pressing enter. So we want to exit from the Nano editor. For exiting from the Nano editor, we need to simply press Ctrl S, and we need to pass yes. So if I just type Y, it will be okay. And if I press enter, our Nano editor will get closed. So we have edited our .zshrc file. Now to make the change effective, we need to execute another command, which is source command. So source. Source. What is our source? Our source is .zshrc. Press enter. Look, my prompt got shorter. So this is all I wanted to show in this video: how to create the .zshrc and an example how we can use the .zshrc file. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.